Here's the behavior of the two dogs after being given a bone. Notice Chewie is standing, or sitting, doing nothing. And over here we have Molly just chomping away. Let's turn some lights on here. See her chomping? Let's go around here. Chewie basically is just looking at me. And Molly's just chomping away. Isn't that funny how they're different? Chewie's got a bone in her mouth. Let's take a look, Chewie. Show us your bone. You got the bone in there, don't you? But are you eating it? No. What's the story here? You just like to watch Molly eat, huh? What? Eat your bone. You're a silly dog.